Today I am reviewing the BOSGAME P3 Mix Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Over the last few years, the desktop computing landscape has shifted dramatically. The days of needing a massive, heavy, dust-collecting tower sitting under your desk just to get high-performance power are officially over. Mini PCs have taken the industry by storm, and the BOSGAME P3 Mix Mini PC is a prime example of why this revolution is happening. This incredibly compact machine manages to squeeze top-tier, enthusiast-level hardware into a chassis that can easily sit on the palm of your hand. Whether you are building a clutter-free home office, setting up a high-end media server, or looking for a powerful workstation for programming and content creation, the P3 Mix promises to deliver desktop-class performance without the desktop footprint. Let's start by looking at what drives this tiny powerhouse: the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor. Built on AMD's advanced Zen 4 architecture, this chip features 6 cores and 12 threads, pushing a blistering maximum boost clock of up to 5.0 GHz. But the real star of the show here is the integrated graphics. It comes equipped with AMD Radeon 760M graphics, which completely changes the game for what an integrated system can do. We aren't talking about just basic web browsing or typing documents. This combination delivers enough horsepower to handle AAA gaming at modest settings, smooth 4K video editing, complex 3D rendering, and effortless live streaming. If you are a programmer running virtual machines, a financial analyst crunching massive datasets, or a digital creator working with heavy timeline layouts, this processor handles multitasking effortlessly without breaking a sweat. To ensure that the processor never gets bottlenecked, BOSGAME has packed this mini desktop with an impressive 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM running at 4800 MHz. This massive pool of next-generation memory is paired with a generous 1 TB PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive. In real-world terms, this means the system boots into Windows almost instantly, and large software applications or heavy game assets load in the blink of an eye. You can jump back and forth between memory-heavy creative software, web development environments, and multiple browser windows without experiencing a single microsecond of lag. It provides the kind of responsiveness that power users and professionals demand from their main daily computers. Where the BOSGAME P3 Mix truly separates itself from the competition is its incredible array of input and output ports. On the back and sides, you get a premium selection including HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, and a full-featured USB 4.0 port. This setup allows you to drive up to 3 monitors simultaneously, including support for a massive 8K display configuration through the USB 4.0 port. This makes it an absolute dream for day traders, multicam video editors, or anyone who likes to spread their workspace across multiple screens. Furthermore, that high-speed USB 4.0 port allows tech enthusiasts to connect external graphic cards, or eGPUs, for intensive AI training or advanced machine learning workflows. The networking capabilities on this machine are equally impressive and future-proof. It features rare, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, allowing for an aggregate wired speed of up to 5 gigabits per second. This makes the P3 Mix a perfect candidate for advanced home networking, setting up an absolute beast of a network-attached storage system, or running a dedicated firewall. For wireless connections, it includes cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E operating on the pristine 6 GHz band, alongside Bluetooth 5.2. You can enjoy completely lag-free online gaming, stutter-free 4K video streaming, and rock-solid connections to all your wireless accessories, headsets, and controllers. Rounding out the package, BOSGAME offers a comprehensive 1-year limited warranty and 24-hour customer service, allowing you to invest with absolute peace of mind. To wrap things up, the BOSGAME P3 Mix Mini PC is an absolute triumph of modern engineering. It proves that you do not need to sacrifice raw power, advanced networking, or display flexibility to enjoy a clean, minimalist desk setup. It is fast, brilliantly connected, and incredibly versatile, making it one of the absolute best mini desktops available today for any home office or power user.